Hello everyone, this is Siddhi Thavde from Gossipfunda. Our today's video is about the problem of the Hulu app not working. So let us look at a few steps to resolve this error. Step 1 is to visit the down detector to check if the application is down or not. For this you need to open your browser and go to downdetector.com. In the search bar type Hulu and press enter. If many users are reporting problem, you will see a spike on the graph or recent issue reports. If there's an outage, wait for the Hulu to resolve it. Step number 2 is to check internet connection. Open a new tab in your browser and visit a speed test website like speedtest.net. Now click on the go to start the test and check your download and upload speed. For streaming, Hulu recommends a minimum of 3 Mbps for standard definition and 8 Mbps for live streaming. If your speed is lower, try restarting a router or switch to a newer Wi-Fi connection. For this, you can click on the Windows button at the bottom, go to the settings, and then search for Wi-Fi, which comes under network and internet. Then select the Wi-Fi option and in that click on show available networks. Then you can connect with any other network that is having more strength. Then we have step number 3 to update the Hulu app. If you are using Hulu in web browser, skip this step since updates happen automatically. If you are using the Hulu app on Windows, open the Microsoft Store, click on Library in the bottom left and then select Updates. This will check for any available updates including the ones for Hulu. If any update is available, you will see an option to update the app. Click on the Update button and download the latest version. Step 4 is to check the VPN connection. Open your VPN application if you are using one. Turn off your VPN and try accessing Hulu again. Alternatively, ensure that your VPN is set to the US server if you are accessing Hulu from within the US or should be connected to any other server as and where you are operating it from. If Hulu works after turning off your VPN, the VPN might be causing the issue. Some VPNs have options to prevent IP or DNS leak. Check your VPN setting and enable these options if needed. Step 5 is to restart the device. Click on the Start menu or Click on the Start menu or the Windows icon at the bottom left. Then select Restart and wait for your laptop to shut down and start back. After your laptop restarts, open Hulu again to see if it's working. A restart often clears temporary issues or resets network connection. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.